How to buy PHILonbnb token. So this token came under the symbol of PHILBSC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. You get them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. You can buy it from your account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account in some USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do is just click here on the search bar and type the token name. In this case, it will be the PHILBSC. Now, after that, click on this pair that have USDT. Now, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, click on limit sale, as you can see. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy of the token. Now here you will be able to see how much you will be paying with the USDT on account. Now click on buy PHILBSC. Now if you select the market option, you can drag the set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on account in order to use it to buy this token. Now click on buy PHILBSC. Now this is how to buy PHILBSC token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.